Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com and bringing you a market analysis for the week beginning the 21st of November. This is Thanksgiving week, so should be rather interesting, and right now have a couple different scenarios on the table. So what I'm watching right now, this low right here, is price can come back down and match this low, maybe come a little below it, but it doesn't have to. It can come a little bit to it and then start to move higher. That's one scenario. The other one is it's a little less likely, but it could come down and come a little bit below this low and come right into this region and then from there move higher. Or it can actually, if it starts to take out this high up here, pay attention to this high, which I'd call it 47.18s. If it gets above that, like let's say it holds this level and starts to push up, gets above it, and then gets above this blue line, blue zone, red line, which is 47.35, 47.36. If it were to push above that, then it can actually start a run higher, probably up to this 49.38 level. It could start doing that. So that's one thing that we do want to pay attention to. I would kind of expect it to come and retest this area here. Is what I expect. That's my primary view. But we want to keep our other views just in case if price does something different, we're prepared. If all we're looking for is price to come down here and that's all we're looking for, well, what if it goes up? What if it breaks that? We want to be prepared just in case if something does happen, we know. So those are my three scenarios. Either it comes back to retest this box here, comes down to test this box, or it actually breaks higher. I think right now the probability is coming down back down here, but really just have to wait and see. Price can do whatever it does, and it will do whatever it does. We cannot control where price goes. We can control where we enter the market at, and then we can control our stops, to a point. We can't control if the market runs 20 points and then we move our stop up and take 18 points out of the market. Well, we can't really control that. That's price moved, and then it moved in our favor, and we were able to take profit. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Pretty clear, cut and dry. Let's look at the news for next week real quick. So coming into Monday, we don't really have anything. 10 o'clock, we have consumer confidence, existing home sales. That's it for Monday. Going into Tuesday, we have 9:45 flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. That could also add a little volatility to the market. So we'll pay attention to that at 9:45. 10 o'clock Richmond manufacturing index. And going into Wednesday, we have at 8:30 in the morning preliminary GDP quarter over quarter. That will be interesting, and that should add a little volatility. Following that, we have same time 8:30 core durable goods orders month over month, durable goods orders month over month, and unemployment claims. All of those can add volatility. We have good trades balance, preliminary GDP price index quarter over quarter, and preliminary wholesale inventories month over month. Those three a little less so, but they're still news items, so still want to pay attention. That's a lot of news items at 8:30. 10 o'clock, we have core PCE price index month over month and revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Those two could add volatility. Also, same time, new home sales, personal income month over month, personal spending month over month, and revised University of Michigan inflation expectations. At 10:30, crude. To 12 o'clock, nat gas. We don't trade either of those. 2 o'clock, we do have FOMC meeting minutes, so that could get interesting. And then, of course, Thursday is a banking holiday, and Friday markets close early. So if you're watching this, happy early Thanksgiving to everyone who celebrates it. Happy holiday if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, or if you're in another country and you don't celebrate anything. Happy Thursday to you. So to all my American friends, happy Thanksgiving, early happy Thanksgiving. But yeah, Thursday, Friday are going to be days that I'm going to take off. Thursday, of course, but Friday is going to be a shortened day and no reason to even be around, in my opinion. But I think it's going to be interesting. I think if it does come down here, it'll probably come down, maybe could be actually Monday, could be Tuesday. But I think by Wednesday we would have already hit this and bounced, or it's going to probably break. That's kind of what I would think. There's a possibility that it just moves sideways from here. So maybe it comes down a little, comes back up, and then starts to break down going into next week. That's a possibility. So, we'll watch it and see what it can do. But right now I'm watching here, but keep an eye here. And if it does actually break highs and break this, we could go ahead and start that march above 4,900. So hopefully you enjoyed today's analysis. If you have anything different, you can always put it in the comments below. If you want to email me separately about something, I have a contact form in the description. You can click the description, find the contact form, send me an email. I'm always here. Whether you're a member or not, if you have a trading question, I'm happy to answer it. So anyway, with that, have an awesome rest of your day. Have a fantastic week. Have a great, great holiday. Awesome Thanksgiving. Spend time, friends and family. That's what life's all about. With that, have a great, great day. And I'll see you in the markets. Thanks and take care.